How you doing? Right, Mark's here. Just on a quick camping trip over the next couple of days till Thursday. I'm at the England Monarch caravan site with brand new tents. Sorry about the breeze. I forgot to bring the mic, the dead cat. So yeah, we're not far from the sea. As you can probably see, I got the tent set up. The tent set up and everything. So yeah, hoping to go for a couple of days fishing. Okay, right, just quickly going to show you what I've brought. I've only brought the basic stuff today. It has been hailing a little bit. Windbreak, tent, borrowed to me by my other half son. Thank you, John, for that. A bit breezy, and got the electric hook up because I want to charge some batteries, and also listen to the radio, which is mains powered. So yeah, over that way we got the sea. That's about 100 yards. I don't know if you can actually hear it over the wind. I bought the firebox with me. Plenty of wood there. Next couple of days. So yeah, let's see. You know, if I can get fishing either tonight or tomorrow, and we can sort something out. Hopefully catch some fish, avoid a blank. Okay, folks, we're just on our way to the beach. I'm just going to show you the beach now. The beach that's by the England Monarch. We just got to walk along the path here, across the brook. I'll actually show you. We got a bit of a brook here. Passes under a little bridge. Don't know if that goes into the sea. Nice quiet site. Oh yeah. If you look over there, you can just probably see my tent. Hey, that's pretty, isn't it? Must be high water. Yes, there's some nice water going on here. I always like to fish off the top here. Oh, here comes some wave. Way! Isn't that nice? As you can see, this is pretty much fun. Not expecting any storms in Barmouth over the next couple of days, so isn't that nice? No water hitting you or anything. Well, folks, I tried fishing earlier on, but it was a bit of a waste of time. The tide's gone out way too far, so I'll be trying it tomorrow. But I had some bacon butties, and I tell you now, right, it comes to something. Really, does come to something that you have to walk 100 yards to the beach with your cooking stuff, i.e. the firebox and all that, to get something to eat. You know what I mean? Because I don't allow anything like naked flames on here, but they allow barbecues. Our barbecues a naked flame to start off with, and yeah, I tried to explain. There's you know, it's a firebox. She didn't know what a firebox was. So yeah, I say it does come to something when you have to go walk 100 yards with your firebox, with your food and everything to get something to eat. So okay, right, I'm going to say good night now anyway. It's time for bed. It's about 1:45. Do some fishing tomorrow. Thank you for, I'll catch you tomorrow, okay? Morning world. Bit of a cold night, wet, wherever. I'm wearing a dead polecat, as you can probably see. Sun's just on come out. It's about come up to 9:30, and we got snow on the mountains and Cadbury Chris. Normal. So I'm just on the way to the beach now, just to. Oh, sun's decided to come out. Oh, wouldn't be nice if you ended up like this all day. Be nice. Anyway, so we can show you the snow on the mountains. Where are we? I don't know if you can see them. Right in the middle of a picture. We're just going to have a look at the sea, just to see what it's like. Bit of a cold one. I forgot to bring my quilt last night. It's a brand new tent, so I had a couple of leaks because I didn't waterproof it, and I don't think I'll have much chance to waterproof it today either, because the simple fact is it's wet and I don't know what we're going to be like. Well, sun's come out, and hopefully might be a nice-ish day. But I'm hoping for a pretty nice night tonight, so I can get some fishing in. Got a railway here. No, that's not a train. That's me. Being silly. Right, sea's pretty calm today. Oh, the tide's in again. Look at that. Since last night I had my food. The tide's been out, and it's come back in. Exactly the same as it was more or less yesterday. Right, that's the ramp I went down last night to the beach to do some cooking. Right at the top end of the beach. Well, as far as the road goes anyway. Actually, I thought I was going to get splashed there. I think it's part of the beach. Everybody, I was told about yesterday by somebody in the Tavern Moor pub. Shingley. Yeah. If I fished off this step here, I might actually get over the waves a little bit. I'm going to go into Barmouth now, get some breakfast, see what happens there with this weather. Now just walking on the beach. Oh, we've got some jellyfish. Alright, yeah, we've got some jelly bobble fish. Usually a sign of nice weather coming in there. Yeah, round trees. Or what's the other one? Shivers. Got them all lined up in a row. That's nice. This we're supposed to be just getting light rains today, so I can live with fishing in. I can live with fishing in light rain. We're just on our way to the breakwater now. It goes into the Mordack estuary. They're doing work on the sand. Don't know if they're like putting the sand back or if they're taking the sand to go on a building site. Okay, we're on the end of the breakwater now, Barmouth. On my way out yesterday, I actually saw a couple of girls dicing with danger, if you know what I mean. While the big waves are coming in, the ones I was showing you yesterday, they were standing right on top of the waves. I only did one wave and they were away. You never take on Mother Nature like that. Must say though, I were brave. Pretty stupid, but pretty brave. Anyway, right, we're on our way to the end of the breakwater. There's steps one side. That's the beach side. Got a sandbank here. And sorry about the noises, you have to focus. I forgot to bring me mic, my lav mic, and well, me external mic as well. Well, got a bit of blue sky. Finally, we're on the approach to the end of the breakwater. There's the railway bridge. Where it's down towards Tywin, wherever. There must be some fish about. Seagulls are diving. Right, that's the railway bridge. The way it takes to Tywin, Fairbourne, which is across there, and up that way towards I think Arlick, Porthmadog, that way. Right, this is the end of the breakwater now. I think it still goes into a pretty deep water, but there's a bit of a, looks like there's a bit of a decent current there. So back in the Cadbury Drifts up there, covered in snow. Hi everybody, we're on, sorry about that, we're on Fairbourne Beach. I'm trying out my chest mount for the first time. There, you can see that, that's on breakwater, where it was earlier on. I'll have to come all the way around the river, across the old wooden bridge, just off the road between Barmouth and Dalgettley, to come here. And I do know 325 is low water, and then after that I'll be sticking around this side of the river for high water. We're on the beach at the moment, we're approaching low water. I'm going to be going around I'll be going around the end there, which is more or less sheltered, where the River Mordack turns in towards the railway bridge. Okay everybody, I'm finally fishing on the Fairbourne beach. Just zoom out a bit. Right, I'm more or less at the opposite of the Barmouth breakwater where we were earlier on. That's where I'm pointing at. Don't know if you can see it. It's been a bit windy and rainy. As you can see, I've got my waterproofs on. And there's a little bit of a deep water tributary here coming off the river. my theory is that you know, when tide comes in, the fish work their way around here. There's some massive sand flats here, which you can tell it's actually covered, and there seems to be some worm beds on the other side of the well, I don't know what to call it, river or stream. So I'm hoping my theory is right, and as the tide comes in, you can see how deep it goes, how deep water channel is. When it's in at the top, I reckon we're going to be about 20 foot of water. I do know the sand flats on the other side do get absolutely covered, so about 5 foot of water there. So my theory is that a fish will come in here, and there seems to be some worm beds over there, and well, with a bit of luck, they come for those worms. And there's also a visitors car park down there, and they'll be throwing food into the sea. And as you know, fish aren't stupid, they know where the food is. I've got my rod out, as you can probably see. I'll be flicking back into between my action camera and this camera with updates. So yes, the rain's finally stopped, and we shall see what we can do. Okay, so yep, I shall keep you updated. Hi everybody, just it's raining again, but I've got a cheap beach shelter, which seems to be pretty waterproof at the moment. Seems to be. So yeah, right, just keep the stuff dry. You can see outside what it's like. So gonna look for some wood. In a few short minutes. I bought some twigs anyway, just to you know, start it off. So yep, I think the tide is about turning. Hi everybody, just a quick update. The tide is now coming in. I tide in about 3 hours time, and well, it seems like every time I brought my bait in, it's either being mashed up or it's gone. Bit of weed on the bottom as well, but I don't know if anything's having a go, anything small, or if it's just crabs or whatever. But it is a sandy bottom, a few rocks in places, and I shall keep you updated. Well folks, I'm bringing my line in, got a bit of weight on, don't know if it's weed or a fish or what. Oh, it's a bit of weed. Okay folks, an update. It's about 10 minutes from high tide. I've been getting loads of weed. It's still spotting the rain. I've got a nice, well, a little fire going, as you can see. Right. I've been trying to dry for wood as best as I can before pouring it on. And doesn't seem to have any bites. I don't know if his fish is, yeah, I don't know if it's, I'm leaving it too early or what, but I'll give it a bit longer and we'll see what happens. Hi everybody, hope you can hear me okay. Just in the car now. I'm about to go home because I blanked earlier and it's absolute incessant raining. So I'm heading home now. Should be home about 11:30, quarter to 12. Okay, I'm sorry I blanked, but it was a bit of an adventure anyway. So, on to the next video. I'll see you soon. Don't forget, your opinion counts. Bye.